Hi guys, my name is Alina and today I'll cook chocolate macarons with chocolate ganache and peanut butter. It is my favorite recipe and it's quite easy, and if you will measure all ingredients and grams, everything will be alright and you can make it from the first time. Now we will make ganache, our filling for macarons. I'll make chocolate ganache with peanut butter. And what do we need? We need chocolate. I have dark chocolate and milk chocolate, cream, it's 35%, you can take from 30 to 35, it's alright, and peanut butter. I have crunch peanut butter, you can take whatever you can find, and I advise you to make ganache before macaron because it needs to cool in the fridge for 5 to 6 hours, so make it maybe the day before or something, or just 5 hours before, it's okay. It's just a very simple recipe. You need to mix everything and to heat it up and then just to blend it and put in the fridge for 5-6 hours as I said. So let's start. So I will just heat cream and then I'll put it into the chocolate, and when you see the first bubbles you just pour it to the chocolate and we just wait for 1 minute. When chocolate will melt, and mix it. And now we add peanut butter and mix it again. And now we need just to blend this. We need just to put the film on the top, like this, and put our ganache in the fridge for 5 or 6 hours. Okay, our ganache is ready, but we will wipe it, and it's, oh, look at this, it's very heavy. And now I will wipe it to make it whiter and more fluffy. I'll put it into a larger bowl to wipe. And now I need to put ganache. You see, it's very soft and it's lighter. And I need to put it into a piping bag with this round tip. Okay, and what about preparing? I need piping bag and this round tip and put it into the cup. And also I have this Teflon mat and template like this. I draw circles to put macaron on it and they'll be equals. And first of all we need to sift all dry ingredients, almond flour, and then sift powdered sugar and cocoa powder. I will divide eggs into egg whites, and we need only egg whites. And we'll need 2 bowls. So I add sugar into the water. I put our sugar and water to heat up. We'll make sugar syrup. I need to heat it up till 118 or 20 degrees. So use thermometer to check it. And when it will be about 110 degrees, I'll start to wipe 1 part of egg white. And when the syrup is ready and our egg white is wiped, and we need to put our syrup into egg white and continue wiping. And we need to have this soft meringue. It doesn't move, so everything is alright. And now we mix all dry ingredients and the second part of egg white. We mix it with spatula, not with mixer. We need to make it very softly, but quite fast. And we mix it until our dough will flow down from spatula, not just falling. It will take a few minutes. So that's okay. I'll put dough into the piping bag. And I have a round tip here. And now I'll place macarons on the mat. And now I need to tap on the table like this, and we can take the template out. And here we have a bubble and we need to put it away. And now, before the oven, we need to dry our macarons for about 20-30 minutes. I'll just leave it here on the table, or you can put it into the oven on 30-40 degrees Celsius. So after 20-30 minutes, our macarons are ready for the oven. As you can see, top is dry, so everything is all right. And now I'll put it into the oven for 15-20 minutes. And here we have 130-135 degrees Celsius. And after 50 minutes, look at this! How beautiful they are. And I turn off the oven and just wait for 5-10 minutes to cool them. Okay, and when it's easy to remove macaron from the mat, that means they're ready. And now you need just to find a pair which are equal of the size, like this. They are equal, and I put it together here, and then I'll fill it with chocolate ganache. And when macarons are cool, I fill it with ganache and put the second one on the top. And I can add a little of cocoa powder. And our chocolate macarons are ready.